To install Trust Wallet, start by going to the official Trust Wallet website or your device's app store. Search for Trust Wallet and select the official app. Then click the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. This should only take a few seconds. Once installed, open the app and click Create a new wallet. You will be given a choice of wallet types, including a standard wallet and a wallet with added security features. Choose the type that best suits your needs. After selecting your wallet type, you will be given a recovery phrase. This phrase is used to restore your wallet if you lose access to it. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. You will be asked to confirm that you have written down the recovery phrase before you can proceed. Next, set up a password or PIN to secure your wallet. This will add an extra layer of security to protect your funds. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password or PIN that you will remember. Trust Wallet also offers additional security features, such as two-factor authentication and fingerprint or face recognition. Enable these features to add extra layers of security to your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you can start using it to send, receive, and store cryptocurrency. Make sure to only send cryptocurrency to trusted recipients and to double-check the recipient's address before sending. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your device and app up to date, and never share your recovery phrase or password with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely install and use Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrency.